Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you another way of making money on Postmark. What you need to do, you go into your page, you scroll down to My Seller Tools right here. Then you gotta go the second tab from the top it's saying My Campaigns. You click on that. All the way in the bottom you have all campaigns. Daily campaign up until deadline January 3rd. If you share any sneakers, you post any post of sneakers, you're gonna get $5. Another one up until January 4th. If you shop on Postmark, you'll get $20. What you need to do is to click on that, read all the description, you go on accept terms, and then you gotta post here the link of the item you purchase, submit, and they will send you a $20 credit on Postmark within 3 to 7 business days. And this is good, the one that you actually need to post something. It is actually easy because this one, list electronics, get $15. You have deadline January 6th. You click on that. You just gotta post here the item, the link of the item that you posted, you submitted, and 3 to 7 business days you're gonna get $15 on Postmark credits. Amazing. Enjoy.